When comparing Divi and Bricks Builder, it's clear that both are powerful tools for building WordPress websites, but they serve different audiences and offer distinct approaches to design, customization, and performance. Divi, developed by Elegant Themes, is one of the most popular and mature page builders in the WordPress ecosystem. It focuses heavily on visual design and user-friendly tools, offering a true drag-and-drop interface that makes it accessible to beginners and appealing to web designers and agencies. With over 2,500 pre-made layouts and more than 65 design modules, Divi enables users to build visually stunning websites without writing code. It also includes robust features like A/B testing, a global design system, built-in SEO optimization, and seamless WooCommerce integration. Divi is offered through a membership model. The standard plan costs $89 per year and includes access to Divi Extra, a magazine-style theme, Bloom, an email opt-in plugin, and Monarch, a social sharing plugin. Users who want to avoid recurring fees can opt for the $249 lifetime access plan, which grants lifetime updates and support. This positions Divi as a comprehensive toolkit, especially appealing to users managing multiple client sites or those who want an all-in-one solution. Bricks Builder, by contrast, is a relatively newer player in the market, but has quickly gained traction for its clean architecture, performance focus, and developer-friendly design. Unlike Divi, Bricks is a full theme rather than a plugin, which allows it to integrate deeply with the WordPress core and produce clean, optimized code. Bricks is built with speed in mind and adheres closely to best practices for core web vitals, making it an excellent choice for users who prioritize fast-loading, lightweight websites. It offers features like a visual theme builder, dynamic data support, a custom loop builder, full WooCommerce compatibility, and advanced controls for responsiveness, accessibility, and layout precision. What sets Bricks apart is its flexibility for advanced users. It allows direct input of custom CSS, JavaScript, and PHP within the builder, and supports conditionals, custom post types, and metadata out of the box. This makes Bricks highly appealing to developers and technically proficient users who want granular control over their site's structure and performance. The pricing model is also attractive. Bricks offers lifetime deals starting at $99 for a single site and goes up based on the number of licenses. There are no ongoing fees, which is a major plus for freelancers or small businesses who want high functionality without recurring costs. When it comes to performance, Bricks generally has the edge. Its minimal bloat and clean output mean faster load times and higher scores on tools like Google PageSpeed Insights and GTmetrix. Divi has improved in this area, especially with recent updates focused on speed optimization, but its extensive feature set and visual-heavy interface can still result in heavier page loads if not carefully managed. With caching, image optimization, and a solid hosting environment, Divi can still perform very well, but Bricks offers better performance right out of the box. Support and community are strong for both builders, though they take different approaches. Divi users benefit from 24/7 live chat support, an extensive library of video tutorials, detailed documentation, and a large active community. Elegant Themes has a long history of consistent updates and customer support, which adds to the reliability of the platform. Bricks, while newer, has a fast-growing and enthusiastic user base. Support is provided through a dedicated forum, official documentation, and an active Facebook group. The development team is transparent about its roadmap and regularly releases updates based on community feedback, which adds to its appeal for users who value innovation and direct interaction with developers. Bricks is gaining popularity for developers who want a lightweight builder, but Divi still stands strong for users who want a polished design experience, beautiful templates, and a solid community. If you're curious about Divi and want to see if it suits your workflow, there's a link in the description with more details.